You won't believe how much you can save driving this car. Imagine cutting fuel costs, enjoying smooth city rides, and owning a car that's as smart on traffic-choked Asian streets as it is on open highways. The 2026 BYD Song Plus is turning heads worldwide, and today, I'm going to show you why it might be the smartest choice for your wallet and your daily drive. Starting with the price, in the USA the BYD Song Plus starts at around $33,000 for the base hybrid model, and if you go fully electric, it jumps to roughly $39,000. For our viewers in Japan, it's about 4.6 million yen for the hybrid and 5.5 million yen for the EV version. In ASEAN countries like Indonesia, Thailand, and Malaysia, expect it to start at roughly $30,000 and go up to $37,000 depending on trims and government incentives. For a car that saves on fuel, offers hybrid and EV options, and gives you cutting-edge tech, that price is incredibly competitive. Now, let's talk fuel efficiency and savings. The hybrid model easily delivers over 50 miles per gallon in city driving, and on the highway, you're looking at around 48 miles per gallon. The EV version? Say goodbye to gas stations altogether and enjoy the comfort of charging at home or at one of the growing number of fast chargers in Asia. Over time, you're saving thousands of dollars annually just on fuel. Combine that with lower maintenance costs. BYD's hybrids and EVs require less frequent servicing than traditional gasoline vehicles, and you're looking at a car that actually rewards careful ownership. Parts are widely available in major Asian markets, and the warranty coverage gives extra peace of mind. When it comes to performance, the Song Plus feels surprisingly nimble. In city traffic, it's quiet, responsive, and easy to maneuver. The electric torque in the EV version gives instant acceleration at traffic lights, while the hybrid version balances efficiency with smooth power delivery. On the highway, it cruises comfortably at 70 to 80 miles per hour, and the handling remains confident even during tight turns or sudden lane changes. For daily commutes and weekend trips, it strikes a perfect balance between fun and practicality. Ownership cost is where the Song Plus really shines. Insurance rates are competitive because this car is considered safe and reliable. Maintenance costs are low thanks to fewer moving parts in the EV version and extended service intervals for the hybrid. Resale value is starting to look strong, too, as more buyers in Asia and even in the US are looking for efficient, low-cost, technologically advanced vehicles. You're not just buying a car, you're buying a smart investment that keeps costs down year after year. Let's compare it quickly to some well-known competitors. Take a Tesla Model Y, for example. While the Model Y might have faster acceleration, the Song Plus offers similar electric efficiency at a significantly lower price, and the hybrid option is something Tesla doesn't even offer. Against the Toyota Hilux, which is widely popular in Southeast Asia, the Song Plus might not have the same rugged off-road credentials, but it absolutely crushes the Hilux in fuel savings, city handling, and long-term ownership costs. For most urban and suburban buyers in Asia, that efficiency matters far more than towing capacity or off-road toughness. Why is this car perfect for Asian roads and traffic? First, the compact yet spacious design makes it easy to navigate crowded streets and tight parking spots. Second, the hybrid and EV powertrains mean you can easily avoid fuel stops and traffic jams, and regenerative braking adds a little extra juice to your daily range. Third, BYD has been smart about including tech that Asian drivers need: navigation systems that work well in congested areas, reliable air conditioning for hot climates, and a suspension that handles potholes and uneven city roads smoothly. The interior is surprisingly comfortable and modern. You get digital displays that are easy to read, a touchscreen infotainment system that supports local apps and languages, and seating that's roomy enough for a family or for passengers on longer rides. Safety features include multiple airbags, stability control, lane departure warnings, and even collision mitigation systems. For anyone driving in busy city environments or on highways, these are game changers. Let's also talk about driving feel. The Song Plus is quiet, almost serene in EV mode, with minimal cabin vibrations. Steering is precise without being overly stiff, and the brakes feel responsive and reliable. The hybrid transitions between electric and gasoline seamlessly, so you barely notice when the engine kicks in during longer drives. This combination of smooth performance, efficiency, and technology makes the Song Plus incredibly satisfying to drive every single day. If you're thinking about long-term ownership, this car is practical. BYD has invested heavily in battery reliability and service networks in Asia. The EV battery comes with an 8-year warranty in most markets, and even if you're in the US, BYD is expanding its support and service coverage. That means fewer worries about expensive repairs and more confidence in your investment. Now, let's touch on styling and appeal. The 2026 BYD Song Plus has a modern, sharp look that stands out without being flashy. LED headlights, sleek lines, and a sporty yet practical stance give it a contemporary feel. It looks good in city traffic, on the highway, or parked outside your favorite shopping mall. For Asian buyers, it offers a car that doesn't just save money but also looks stylish and modern, a real confidence booster when driving in crowded urban areas. In summary, the 2026 BYD Song Plus is a car that makes sense for anyone looking to save money, enjoy a smooth and quiet ride, and have peace of mind with low maintenance and high efficiency. It competes strongly with electric and hybrid options in the US, Japan, and ASEAN countries, offering smart features, low running costs, and a comfortable, stylish ride. Whether you're commuting through heavy traffic, running errands, or taking a weekend road trip, the Song Plus is a smart, reliable, and forward-thinking choice. So, if you're ready to make a move towards smarter driving, lower costs, and modern technology that works for your lifestyle, don't wait. Hit that like button if you enjoyed this review, and subscribe to the channel for more honest, high RPM car reviews every week. Trust me, you don't want to miss what's coming next.